Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of distinction between field and its knower. Chapter 13, Shloka 29. Indeed, he who sees the same Lord everywhere, equally dwelling, destroys not the self by the self, therefore he goes to the highest goal.
समं पश्यन् हि सर्वत्र समवस्थितम् ईश्वरं न हि नस्ति आत्मनात्मानं ततो याति परां गतिम्.
Chapter 13, Shloka 29. To praise the right knowledge by indicating the result of its possession, Lord explains, there are two views of the world, the view through the equipments of the ignorant and the view with the clear eye of wisdom. When the matter envelopments distort the vision of pure consciousness, the knower of the field, the ego, happens to gaze at the world of plurality, the field. We perceive our own pet ideas and emotions colored by our unsteady and changing emotions. Vedanta helps us to re-evaluate the things and beings and not so much the negation of the world. To rediscover the spiritual reality, the Supreme Lord, in and through the change, is to end all our agitations and unprofitable pursuits, for then one sees the Lord dwelling in every place alike. When the wisdom has dawned, there is no suffering from sorrow or fear. Like when the post is realized, the dread created by the ghost ceases. The true nature of the self remains undiscovered due to the non-apprehension of the reality or due to the misapprehension arising out of the non-apprehension. The non-apprehension creates a veil because of which we cannot recognize the eternal divine everywhere, but we also identify with the body and mind and consider them real and as a consequence suffer. The state of individual gains when both these non-apprehension and misapprehension are ended is the absolute experience, the experience of the highest goal. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.